Okay, good evening sa inyo lahat. So magbukas pala tayo ng Chaos Rising. So there's a booster pack na meron po siyang included at 6 pack in a box. Okay, so good luck. So may choice po tayong card, yung Green Ninja or other cards. Okay, let's pull out. Okay. First card. Okay. Yan. Code. Kulaan natin yung energy. Fire. Basic. Okay. Okay. Kuna. Hemorrhoid. Patrat. Play do. Okay. Ooh, close. That's good. Wala. Strike it again and okay. Nope. Okay. Magkasa ako ng card. Okay. Second pack. So, trying to pull the kahit man lang god pack kung meron man or ano man. Okay. Code. Okay. Guess the energy. Water. Oh. Kuryente, man. Okay. Grabe naman. Pait naman, oh. Okay, grabe wall. Deoxys. Precision tower. Okay. Oh, doon. Payan to. Metagross. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's good too. Pero, yep. Pero hindi yan ang hinahabol natin. Third pack. Nako. Ang second pack, wala pa rin. Bakla pa rin tayo, guys. Ito yung third pack. Kahit nabuksan. Hindi ko pa nag-grip ng gano'ng mga nag-grip sa Facebook eh. Pinupunit nila. Yan. Okay. Code. Okay, guys again. Grass. Okay. Tatat. Wolpex. Slugu. Oh, advertising policy. Shudo-wudo. Oh, this one is good. Ito yung tower yung kanina. Fluffy. Uy! Nice card. Nice one. Okay, first hit natin. First hit natin to. Okay. Tapos, element fire. Okay. Lagyan natin itong sleeve. So, maganda to. Kasama to sa mga, sa mga great art dito sa Chaos Rising. Lagyan natin dito. Yan. Yan. First card. Pero sa totoo lang talaga, nag-open na ako kanina. Ng isang box, pero ito lang mga nakuha natin kanina. Mga first hit. Pero, EX din siya, pero okay lang. Okay. Fourth pack. Yep. Yep. Okay. Code. Okay. Energy. Psychic. Oh, metal. Okay. Isa na natin. Minsan wala na talaga. Oh, that's okay. That's good. Shudo-wudo. Shudo-wudo. Ang dami. Okay, Emma. This is good card. Itapi. Oh, okay. Good card. But, wala. First hit pa lang tayo. So, ito yung ikalima. Grabe, wala man lang tayo Green Ninja, no? Hindi naman yung nahabol natin, eh. Okay, code. Guess the energy. Grass, yung grass. Okay. Ooh, okay. Okay, doon. Sabiti. Okay. Oh, double. Oh, Deoxys. And, uy, sayang. Yung isa yung hinahabol natin itong paros, yung hit. Okay, last pack tayo. Last pack. Grabe naman. Ang alam lang tayo hit. Okay. Last pack. Kulak sa atin. Okay. Code. Okay, what's the element? Fire. Water. Okay, gas. Ooh! Chispin. Dapat makuha natin yung ano nito, yung card na ito. Sa huli. Wala man lang. Kung may art yun, maganda yun. Yan. Toy. Pinky. Felipe. Okay, oy. Spot. Net. Okay. Fire. Plus. Psychic. Revenant. So, yan lang. So, naka 1 hit lang tayo. Ito lang. So, for 1 box. And, please like and subscribe and share our video. So, more exclusive content. So, we're gonna open din 1 by 1. Because we're not rich. So, we're gonna open 1 by 1. See you to the next video. Thank you.